America was built on unwavering principles: faith, family, and freedom. The Founding Fathers envisioned a nation where these values would endure through generations. Today, as we face cultural shifts, it's more critical than ever to return to these roots. The Constitution isn't just paper, it's the blueprint for preserving our liberty. Let's explore how we can pass this legacy to the next generation. Patriotism begins at home. For centuries, American families have instilled love for country through stories of sacrifice, from Revolutionary War heroes to D-Day veterans. Studies show children taught conservative values early are 70% more likely to vote and engage civically as adults. The dinner table is where respect for the flag, Pledge of Allegiance, and national history is first learned. Schools once reinforced patriotic values, but today's curricula often rewrite history. Only 23% of U.S. schools require civics exams, and textbooks downplay Judeo-Christian influences. This isn't accidental, it's ideological. When children learn America is inherently flawed rather than resilient, we risk losing the very unity that sustained us through wars and depressions. Conservative education doesn't ignore struggles, it contextualizes them. The civil rights movement succeeded because activists appealed to constitutional principles, not against them. Showcasing how Americans overcame slavery, the Great Depression, and 9/11 through faith and grit teaches resilience. Historical reenactments, veteran interviews, and primary documents make this tangible. 96% of Founding Fathers cited Christianity as their moral foundation. Churches were America's first schools, teaching literacy through the Bible. Today, communities that prioritize worship show higher volunteerism and lower crime rates. Faith teaches the self-discipline needed for liberty, why our currency says, "In God we trust." Secularism can't replicate this moral framework. Parents must demand school choice to fund traditional education. States like Florida now require the Constitution to be taught verbatim. Practical steps: replace critical theory with Founding Fathers biographies, host Veterans Day essay contests, and display the flag prominently. Schools should partner with local historians to personalize lessons about hometown heroes. Hollywood and tech giants mock patriotism as outdated. Only 12% of TV fathers are portrayed positively, undermining parental authority. Social media algorithms bury conservative content. Counter this by curating classic films like The Longest Day, subscribing to Patriot-led podcasts, and using parental controls to filter anti-American narratives. Churches, VFW halls, and scout troops once anchored communities. Rebuild these networks by organizing neighborhood flag ceremonies, adopting veterans, and hosting Constitution study groups. Data shows towns with strong civic groups have 40% higher voter turnout. Patriotism thrives where people work, worship, and celebrate together, not through isolated screens. Gen Z conservatives are 3x more likely to start businesses, proving traditional values fuel innovation. Encourage youth to attend teen-packed leadership camps, debate using Federalist Papers, and intern with constitutional nonprofits. Teach them that defending freedom isn't just voting, it's building resilient families, careers, and communities that reflect American exceptionalism. America's future depends on what we teach today. Start small. Read the Constitution aloud at birthdays, visit battlefields, and fly the flag daily. Then go further. Run for school boards, document family oral histories, and mentor at-risk youth. Our values survived revolution and civil war because ordinary people chose to pass them on. Will you?